Okay everyone, for the next topic in here I will explain about how we know or get out from the Vanish model in Instagram. This is the simple the way you know. Okay, for the first, open Instagram app. After that, go to the direct message in here, and now you can choose one of them, anything. For example, I will choose the message from him. After that, you just swipe up to Vanish model on Instagram. So if you want get out from Vanish model on Instagram, and then swipe up again. So this is the way how you get out from Vanish model on Instagram.